all this biodegradable dirt, which used to be leaves most likely, or maybe it was just dirt to start off with, um, came out of the cowl area of my Mustang, which entered the car through, let me see here, through the cowl duct vent area, which is right up here, which is taped over right now. I had a water drip, couldn't figure out where it was coming from, and I thought it was coming from in here, which we do see a little remnants of water up in here, but when I poured the water here, this is how the water is entering the car. Over there is where the heater takes in the air. It has a area where the where the pipe comes up into the cowl area, which has action for a reservoir to run around it. So that had become impacted, which started some little rust issues, which had to be solved or sealed. And I dug this out, but it was actually more than that came out of there, and deteriorated the big O-ring, which I think is inside the car somewhere, that held it. So yeah, got to keep your cowl area clean of debris, dirt, leaves, whatever. No power steering? No. I don't know, the brake lights work. Yeah, they do. Okay.
Telling you, man, you like me.
She got two.
Yeah,
She got two pillows. She
Till
good.
you start complaining, then I start. Oh shit.
Hey y'all, it's me, Rob Money's Car Stereo. Man, we over here on some G14 classified stuff. But my man, where you from, baby?
Man, I'm all the way from Cleveland by way of Chicago. This DJ Shorty Smooth checking in with Big Money Ride.
You see us, yeah, live in the flesh, man. I've been giving them the whole $2 tour trip. G14 classified stuff. We can't really talk about it. But did you sit on the white bike?
I sat on the white bike, and my life will never be the same.
I told you, don't do it. You gonna be riding on your bike thinking about my bike.
Hey,
But together we both gonna win.
we both gonna win.
And if he needs some help, he got to do is call out, and I'll tell him what I got, and he can, we can share information that way. But see in the background, we got some stuff. Oh, we can't show you that.
Can't show him that.
And so we're gonna angle it this way. But yeah, like I said, I'm glad, man, you came through, man. Got a chance to put a face with the name
Yes,
and the
sir.
phone and the voice, and whenever you in Palo Alto, you know where I'm at, baby.
Hey man, listen. The next time I'm coming through to get my hands dirty.
He said he want to get some hands on, So hey, all doors open. Money's Car Stereo, letting y'all see what I see. We gotta go. No. When I first got the car, I said, "Oh man, I need everything brand new." And then I looked under the car, and there was a lot of new stuff already there. I said, "Oh, okay. It just needs to be looked at by a professional like yourself, and tell me what else is missing."
Oh, there you go.
All right, yeah.
You're making me blush, huh?
Oh man, I appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate you. Yeah. Here at my favorite alignment shop. Make sure the car is safe and up to par, can handle the freeway correctly. Turns out I need a center leak and some shims to get my wheels right. Man, I got to be A1 whenever I do hit the streets in this car. Can't be out there messing up, because that's not a good look. Tires burning up all wrong and stuff. These BF Goodrich's ain't no joke. And these are small ones, so they kind of cheap. But they ain't cheap. Yeah. Just making it happen little by little. Doing a little test fit to see how much the truck will drop when I put the trailer on the back of it. With that extension, pretty much need to bring the car forward more, but pretty much fit right. No problems. With my white truck, it was dipping too low. So with this here, it's not dipping too much. I think we're good. Yeah. Nicholas, how much you gonna charge to paint this back the green satin that it is? Put the stripes back where they were. Gotta fix the hood better than what it is. Put the stripe back on the hood. All of the artwork is just stickers, but the biggest part is the quarter panel to put, I got a new one for it, so I need to put the quarter panel on. And back green. So green, quarter panel, put the black stripes back on there, and fix this seat. That's it. I need a good price and a fast turnaround, not 2 years later. So like I was saying about this car, we gotta clean up all the little details, the little things. Like these brackets, they too long, they down here. You can clearly see that from the side of the car. Little things, like we fixed the heater water problem. I see there's 2 drips in the back of the car. We gotta put that to stop because that's detrimental to music. So if we need to pull the windows back out in the back, we'll see. Yeah, little things. Sometimes the little things that count. Or should I say, mean the most. Let's cut these edges off so that won't be seeable underneath the car. Prepping it for the remix, so we gotta deconstruct it, take the reverse tail lights out the valance. That way we don't have extra pieces of stuff needed up out of there. So that's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do. That's what I'm talking about.
Got it.
Yeah, I'll get this hood scoop off. Minimum damage to the vehicle. Getting it ready. We're working on a little Scrappy 2.0 version. Bigger, better, faster, stronger. Damn. He's still on there. Well, we're going to cut for a second. It may be glued on there, so we're going to have to apply some heat to the joint.
There we go. We are.
And the reason why I'm moving this is if you hit from the center. If you hit it from the center and if you follow it, and if you're a particular person, you will notice where this bolt is right here, it's straight. It's not, it needs to be over here. See that's offline? So the whole thing needs to be, let me see, pop this up a little bit. This. It needed to be over here. About right there?
Mm.
That's what we needed to be at, huh?
Nope, move over.
Yeah.
Over. 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 Right there.
That's what we need to be at. In order to be there, you're going to end up with these showing. So we need to reposition and get it together. The original designers, it was a flaw, but like I said, this is Money's Car Stereo, and we trying to go 2.0. We're going to improve it. We're gonna keep it the same way, but we're just gonna make it more better. More better, more better. Yeah, I got it. Came in today. And yeah. Get this off of here. And so yeah, we're gonna get this quarter panel put on so we can start this remix of the new improved little Scrappy 2.0. Because the first one, it was cool, but we finna mix it up. Gotta go.